East Hills might be the last place you thought you'd see traditional home builders like Eastbrook Homes building new condos, but CEO Nick McGraw says he likes what he sees in the urban neighborhoods of Grand Rapids. He's looking for more opportunities just like their latest effort here in Fairmont Square.
I'm Mick McGraw. I'm the CEO of Eastbrook Homes, and we are just delighted to be involved with the Fairmont Square community. It's a bit of a diversion from what we've done in the past. We've been primarily a suburban builder, but we are absolutely thrilled to be involved with this site. You know, people have talked to us about, is this the right time to be coming into close to the downtown area and taking on a brand new community? We don't see it as a risk. We see this as a place where it's a vibrant area. We see growth here. We see the opportunity of people to get on the bus to go to work, to walk to shopping, walk to restaurants. And I think as things have been changing with cost of energy, people are more interested in, can they be close to where they're going to work? This gives that opportunity. I also think people are interested in being part of a vibrant community, and that is clearly here in this general East Town, East Hills neighborhood. We are definitely looking for other opportunities. As we look around the area in and around just in the outskirts of downtown, for us, we're not necessarily looking to build a high-rise building. That's not necessarily our style, but something that's low-rise or something that's in a residential scale, like Fairmont Square with townhomes or other types of condominiums, very much appeals to us. So we're going to look for other opportunities as it ties into transportation and mass transit that we think will fit with what we've achieved here at Fairmont Square.